You're scrolling through Uber Eats. You see a 5-star burger place with a cool name and amazing photos. You turtle. But what if I told you that restaurant doesn't exist? No tables, no waiters, not even a front door. Welcome to the world of ghost kitchens. Ghost kitchen, or cloud kitchen, is a professional food preparation facility where multiple brands share the same space. One kitchen could be cooking for 15 different restaurants at the same time. It's the ultimate business hack. No expensive rent, no staff in the front, just pure delivery. A traditional restaurant, 30% of your money goes to rent and decor. In a ghost kitchen, that's slashed to almost zero. They use data to see what people are craving in a specific area, launch a brand in 24 hours, and if it fails, they just change the name and try again. It's fast fashion but for food. This is how creators like Merbeast launched 300 locations overnight. They didn't build 300 buildings. They just rented space in existing ghost kitchens. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry backed by huge tech giants and even former Uber CEOs. But there's a catch. When one kitchen cooks for 20 brands, quality control becomes a nightmare. Small local restaurants can't compete with these tech-backed giants. Our streets are losing their soul, replaced by windowless boxes and delivery bikes. So, next time you order that artisan pizza, ask yourself, where is it actually coming from? Is this the future of dining? Or are we losing the human connection that makes food special? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.